So here it is. Oh, this is pretty heavy. Okay, you cannot rebuild it. Oh, yeah, it's parts only. Everything is rusted. Surprised they didn't take the rims. Yep, salt water. What's up everyone, my name is Andre. Welcome to AutoHacker channel. Today I'm visiting corporate location and I want to show you one car. It was flood damage, it was salt water, and now it's for sale as front-end damage. Yes, it's possible. So let's check this car out and see what these guys done to the car before they want to sell it. This week I got an email from Brian who said, Andre, you know my original truck that I owned and it was submerged in water, flood damage, totaled in recent hurricane, is for sale at corporate for second time. Somebody originally purchased it, stripped it, took parts out and now sell it as a front-end damage. And today I'm at corporate. I want to show you, if you do not know the fundamentals of salvage car buying, what you can get yourself into. Let's start. So here it is. That's the topic of the day. This Dodge Ram. I found you. So it was in a flood damage, complete flood damage, and now it's at the auction as a front-end damage. That's interesting case. It was submerged in salt water, so it means you cannot rebuild it. So, oh, this is pretty heavy. Okay, that's a turbo 6 diesel, and what you can see, it's all rusted because of the salt water. Okay, it's pretty heavy. This hood, wow, probably like 80 pounds. So they did take the whole front apart. So I guess they need some parts for the vehicle. So they took the hood, they took the bumper, they took the headlights. Oh, they locked it. Really? You cannot open it up? Oh no, you can open it from the back. I'm not gonna go right away to the vehicle because it might smell really bad. So let's do it. Oh, yeah. So this vehicle was submerged in water completely. Look at this rust at the headrest. It means water was here. You see, everything else is rusted. This is pretty bad. This truck is no good for rebuild. It's parts only. Everything is rusted. Everything is rusted. Okay, so let's see the front. They just cleaned it, pressure washed it, and you can see right here, you see that's salt marks. I can be crazy and try it. Yep, salt water. Oh boy, oh boy. So this truck is good for metal and it's good for parts only. Maybe someone thinking about one sneaker, actually two sneakers and flip-flops. You can get it with the truck as well. There is a rug liner. Actually, it's good. It can be reused. And that's the truck. That's the truck. Actually, rims are nice. I'm surprised they didn't take the rims. Rims are very nice. I would take it out. What else? You see, this one is gone because water is inside. Yeah. It used to be a very nice truck. Very nice truck. And that's it. So if you're watching my video and this truck is for sale, actually it has a nice rear bumper as well, HDX. This is good. You can paint it and use it. And I like rims as well. Rims are nice. So I wonder why the guys who purchased this car, they didn't take the rims. I guess they didn't like it. So the front is actually closed and this door is closed. So I found the only way to get inside the car. That's good. They want to lock it so nobody would get the smell, but I got the smell. I got the smell. That's it. This truck is dead and not rebuildable. Parts only. Ooh, yeah. It was great that Brian emailed me about this truck because otherwise there would be no way I get my hands on it. And it's cool because we have tools nowadays to check the cars. I got the front door. Let's see what's here. Not much here. Not much here. Lots of rust, as expected. underneath the seats. You can see this salt is still here. They didn't do the pressure washing good, they just did it quickly. But otherwise, yeah, you got the point. Oh, you have mud over there as well. Ooh. Crazy. And I'm super happy that Brian emailed me and told me about this car, and he said that he hates this situation, what people do in it, and he's also buying and selling cars and boats and whatever, and he said, I hate when people do it. And it's exactly the same for me. I hate when people do this kind of stuff. They strip the car, they washed it, and they put it for auction to make a profit, 2x the price originally paid for the car. They're trying to sell this truck right now for $8,600, and a few months ago, when it was flooded, it was sold. You know what's the price? $3,450. So they try to make 2x the price. Always check cars you want to beat at AutoStat. I also hate that people do this stuff, but thankfully we have community of people, we have tools we can use and check the history, and this way we can avoid cars like that. That's it for the day. Thank you very much for watching. Again, if you're looking to buy salvage cars and you don't have a license, carsfromwest.com is your friend. We have corporate auto auction, we have insurance auto auction on our platform. You can see who the seller is, you can pay one deposit and bid at 2 auctions, and we just overall have great tools to buy smart at salvage auto auctions. My name is Andrei Ivanov, and I'll see you next week. Cheers, guys.